No!
According to auto data, there must go 4.3 liters into this engine. I'm going to put 4 liters now, then I'm gonna start the engine for about 15 seconds, 20 seconds, and after that I will do the correction. By the way, the oil is 5W30. The manufacturer allows you to use 0W30, 5W30 and something more. The universal one is 530. Four liters are in. Now let's start the engine. Let it work for some 15 seconds and do the correction. It's about right. Auto data says 4.3 liters and with me it was just 4 liters of oil. This is why you don't need to put everything at one time. If you overfill a little, it's not a big problem, it's okay. But anyway, right is right. Almost forgot to say, after you finish your maintenance here, don't forget to reset your computer. Service due. There you go. Next time you do your service on 15,000 kilometers or 1 year.